So yeah, my cousin texted me the last few days. He'd been trying to make some plum wine at home, and I guess it wasn't turning out very well. And it reminded me of them jugs that I had of them green plums that fermented. I never really, I mean, I didn't finish them and I didn't throw them away. They were just like in jugs under the deck out back. I hadn't even looked at them or opened them in probably a couple months, so I thought I'd check out the progress. There's one on the rail over there. It's got visible mold and didn't smell promising. They're not carbonated anymore because the bottles didn't hiss. So, I mean, the last few times I was out here, I just kind of cracked the lids and let some of the carbonation out so the jugs didn't explode. And eventually they just stopped making carbonation. I smelled this one. It smells kind of like turpentine, but it did last time, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see how it is. Jeez, these mosquitoes are relentless. I think last time I had to mix it with water because it was like quite strongly acidic tasting. And once I mix it with water and sugar, it just kind of tastes like plum lemonade. I told him I had to strain it to catch the worms. The curculio plum weevil larva. Cheers. Ain't that bad. I did kind of you know, a few times I would drink some of it and then add more water, so eventually it got to be like a little bit bitter, I guess, leaching whatever the bitterness of the green plums out, but it tastes fine. That's about it.